Hey, he's gonna fucking die. He's gonna die with peanut butter.
Get the cover your nostril with
He's gonna be on down with We'll fucking nail that shit. One shot.
nostrils are closed.
Peanut butter loogie.
Trying to kill him.
Hey, hey, Luke. What the fucking? What did he say on that video?
Let him fucking breathe, bro.
Fucking Picasso.
Hey, we're sculpting shit right.
No! He's not even breathing.
No.
I'm
Breathing.
He's not breathing, man.
You want to let him breathe?
Excuse me? Hey, wake up.
Hey, let him breathe, bro. Hey.
He's not breathing, though, right?
I know.
He's still asleep.
That's it.
Hey, keep this. I make fucking nostrils. Give me kisses.
What?
That way I pick out his nostrils so I can breathe a little bit.
They're not light in here.
I thought you were trying to fuck him over words. I was like, no. Get it done.
That's good peanut butter right there. Mmm. He's spreading it everywhere. Are you gonna wake up, bro? Oh, he's got it all over. Look at his arm. No. Peanut butter is good. Somebody bring jelly. Somebody bring jelly for. Oh, look at his hand.
You need to go find a neighbor dog. Open the door, let it breathe.
This is good. Hey, bro, you got peanut butter on your arm, bro. Why did you taste like peanut butter? What do you mean? He's eating.
Nom.
Oh, listen. Listen, you can't go to church, bro. You got peanut butter all over your shit.
You know we can still at least have another spot 15 minutes before I get stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Check, you want money now? More money, bitch. You know what you did? It's dog shit, man.
Why do you have a keychain behind your head?
Fucking money, man.